Business Etiquette, helping you become a financially confident female. It's time to start growing your wealth. If you've been thinking about sorting out your personal finance and haven't got around to it yet, keep watching. This is a video for you. I am delighted to have you joining me today. Welcome back to Etiquette UK over on Instagram, so that we can stay in touch when I'm not here on YouTube. Etiquette UK is not about being perfect. So that you have the confidence to enter any boardroom and be able to negotiate and feel confident to do so. Good manners will open doors. Etiquette UK will open doors for you, doors of opportunity, because your good manners and your kindness have helped people to warm to you, so they want to help you, they want to support you, they want to recommend you. Start elevating your personal and professional business etiquette, helping you become a financially confident female. It's time to start growing your wealth, your finance. It may only be micro changes at first. An example of a micro habit. A micro habit is basically just a really small step on how you can start doing pretty much anything you want. For example, if you want to become a runner, start by taking a jog around the block once a day instead of attempting a 4-mile. So if you can also have a accountability partner to help you achieve your goal of becoming a financially confident female, perhaps they also want to work on this subject and you've discussed it in the past, and now you can trust them with the fact that you're working on it together. There is so much guilt and anxiety attached to money and how we spend it. Financial confidence is knowing you have control over your money rather than your money controlling you. Yes, you can do it too. We're here to stop the toxic behaviour of debt shaming and judgment. This is preventing females from seeking support and financial education. This is a safe place for destigmatizing money so that you never have to have money issues again. Achieving financial confidence is a process. It won't happen overnight. It's important that you get started. There are many number of simple, powerful steps to take when growing your financial confidence. And the first one is building your money skills. This is a great time to get control over your finance by doing a budget. It will take a little effort, but it's a great way to get a quick snapshot of the money you have coming in, but most importantly, where most people fail, knowing just how much is going out. There are lots of incredible free tips and tools that can help you build your money confidence, and many high street banks offer money mentors to help you build a roadmap for your financial future, so really take advantage of them. Financial well-being isn't just a female issue. but the data points to the real implications and issues that females face in terms of long-term financial decisions like investments and pensions. And it really is impacted even more now because of the cost of living and the disproportionate impact it has on females. In the UK, women are almost twice as likely to be in insecure work than men. And according to a research carried out by the Works Foundation at Lancaster University, women are on a lower income in the UK and they take home on average £575 less per month than men in 2022, and that's even lower if you are a female of colour. I read a report that said how freeing it would be if we were able to decline an expensive hen weekend invitation because we were going to put the money towards paying off credit card debt. But I feel how refreshing it would be if we received an end weekend invitation and was able to accept it while also paying off our credit card debt, because we recognise if we're on a low income, it's not enough. We need to increase our ability to be in a better income bracket by our career choices. So when you finish watching this video, what steps are you going to make to becoming a financially confident female? Make micro changes, that way it will be easy to stick to your goal. Do remember, I'm here to help you. Tell me your financial struggles and we can work on them together. I will leave a link down below so we can do that. Remember, you are unique and your personal financial situation is unique to you, and that will apply when you're doing your budgeting. Get yourself a money mentor. Set out the goals that you want to achieve in step 1, and also think of who you'd like to be your money accountability partner. It could just be one person or a group of friends together. If you've been telling yourself, I'm rubbish with money, we need to change that persona because it's not serving you. You're going to take another small step to owning your financial life and being in control of the story you've been telling yourself. And we're going to do that by creating the ultimate budget categories for you so that you can start being in control of your finance. So that'll be the next video. In the next video, we're going to sit down and work out how much money you're spending, and then we're going to plan a budget that you can stick to. If that sounds like something you would like to achieve, look out for the next video. If you made it this far, I can see you are a female who's ready to elevate your personal and professional lifestyle. So I would like to be the first one in congratulating you in taking your first step to gaining the most incredible poise and smiling, because you know that you are now on your way to becoming a financially confident female.